What is known is that on Sunday, the 15th of January, it's evening, the police saw Gert and Joey leaving the premises with this Ford Bantam truck, or bakkie as we call it. So they decided to follow them, and Gert got wind of them following. So Gert started racing away, the police started chasing. Capital Park, the area where they stayed, is a very quiet area. Back in those days, there were almost no shops. It was mostly homes. So it must have been a very strange thing, this Sunday evening racing with the police. Then Gert stopped, and the police said that they could see Joey putting her hands up as if to say she is giving up. The police got out. The two of them approached Gert's vehicle, one on Gert's side and the other on Joey's side. They could see that Gert had a firearm in his hands, and they told him to put the firearm down.